Welcome back. We are now going to use the same trinomials again. In this scenario, we use something called an area model, and I've showed you this already in previous videos. So this is your chance to try them, and you have the solutions in the previous video for what the factors are. Usually area models are going to be easier to use if you remember to factor out the greatest common factor, or GCF. Let's go ahead and read through the steps. Draw a rectangular shape. Section the rectangle into 4 quadrants by drawing a vertical and horizontal line within the rectangle. So let's start with the first one. Here's my rectangle. I'm breaking it into 4 sections. They don't have to be perfectly even. And then start assigning factors to the first and last terms. So we know the first term would be 3x squared, and the last term is negative 12. Now, if we have 3x squared, 3 is prime, so we know that it can only be 3x and x as our sides to make a product of 3x squared. We also know that 12 has to be some combination of either 3 and 4, 1 and 12, or 2 and 6. We have to figure out how the middle term can add to negative 16x. So let's try 4 and 3. If we were to use that combination, we would have, and let's say negative, let's make this one negative and this one positive. 3 times 4 would be 12x, and 3 times x would just be 3x. That would be 15x. So that doesn't seem like it's going to work. Let's try something else. Let's try 2 and 6. So negative 6 and positive 2. Let's see if that works. 3 times 6 is 18. That'll be a negative 18x and a positive 2x. So that seems to work. So our factors are, looking across, x minus 6, and looking down, 3x plus 2. So this is the process for finding the factors using an area model. You are free to try working on this further on your own, but in the interest of time, I'm going to move on to the next video.